In this video you will learn how to add an end cleaning fee. Click on a unit and then click on Booking Flow. Here you will see the booking form and the rent price. You can add an extra field for the end cleaning. Here we choose the field Fee Description. Then we open the field and we will name it End Cleaning. Click on Price and then on the price again. And then we can add the end cleaning fee, like $100 per booking. You can also add an end cleaning fee per guest or per night, but per booking is the most common. Then click on Save. Now you can see there is an end cleaning fee added to this booking form. The field that we used was a fee description field. This means that the booker, your visitor, can't check or uncheck this option. If you want to add an optional cleaning fee, you can use the checkbox field. When you click on the checkbox field, you could name it End Cleaning. And you can add the price here as well. $100 per booking. And now there is a checkbox, which your visitor can check or uncheck. When checked, the price of $100 will be added to the booking. When left unchecked, there will be no amount added to the booking. This is how you can set up end cleaning fees. Thanks for watching.